In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the basic features of your club texting account, including your groups, adding your contacts, sending out your text messages, and of course checking the great responses in your inbox. So to get things started, let's take a look at the groups. The Edit and Add Groups page displays the groups currently in your account, and next to each group in parentheses is the number of contacts in each group. Your account does start off with the 3 default groups: keyword, test, and widget. You can use these groups, or you can add a new group by clicking the Add a New Group button. On the Add a Group page, you can simply type out the group name. You can add any notes you like, and then save the changes. After saving, you'll be taken back to the normal groups page, where you'll see your group has been added, but there's 0 contacts in that group, so let's start getting those contacts added in there. Now, if you're just going to be adding a few opted-in contacts, you can click on the Contacts option to expand, and then click on the Add a Contact button. And on the Add a Contact page, you can simply type out the information for your contact. After typing out the details, you can include everything you like, or just the phone number is all that's required. You just want to be sure to assign the contact to at least one group by placing a check mark next to the group name. Then save your changes, and you'll be taken back to the Browse Contacts page, where you'll see that your changes were successfully saved and the contact is now in your account in the group. So if you're adding a list of contacts, you're not going to have to add them individually one by one. You can click the Mass Upload Contacts option, and on the Import Contacts page, you can first choose the group. You can paste in the phone numbers you'd like to add, or you could even upload a file by clicking on the Choose File and then selecting from your browser. So with my file chosen, I'll click that I agree to our terms, and then click the Import Contacts button to begin the upload. While uploading, I'll be redirected to the Groups page, and if I refresh the page, I'll receive confirmation that the numbers were successfully added, and I can see that I now have 9 contacts in my customers group. So we've talked about the ways in which you can manually add contacts that are already opted in, but let's explore some of the different ways in which you can have contacts opt in and automatically add themselves directly to your groups. First, let's check out the Web Widget Creator. A web widget is a simple sign-up form that you can post on your website, your Facebook fan page, included as a email link in your email campaigns. You can set up the group to which you want the contacts to be added, and then follow the steps to establish the settings of your widget. When you're finished, you can preview the widget and then create the widget to generate the coding in the text boxes below. Simply copy and paste the widget coding for the desired widget, and then place it in the respective location on your website or your Facebook page or in your emails. Now, we also have the most popular way for people to opt into your contact list, and that's going to be via text using what's called a keyword. So let's explore the keywords by clicking on the Browse Keywords button. So on the Edit and Add Keywords page, I'll see a listing of my current keyword, which is the demo keyword that came for free with the account for testing purposes. But I can add a custom keyword by clicking on the Add a New Keyword button. I'll first need to check the availability of my desired keyword. So I'll enter the keyword I like and check availability. Once availability is confirmed, I'll click on the Activate My Keyword button to actually activate the keyword. Immediately after activating my keyword, I'll be prompted to establish the settings. Connect to Groups allows me to choose the group to which the contacts will be added, so I'll select my customers group. And then I can move on to my auto reply and just type it in here. After composing my auto reply, I'll simply save my changes. And now my keyword's active. My clients can start texting Bob's to 25827. They'll be added to my group, get my auto response, and then I can start sending them my promotions. So now that we've started adding the contacts to the groups, having contacts give a way to opt themselves in, it's time to send out our first text message. So let's click on the Send a Text Message option. And on the Send a Group Text Message page, we'll see a listing of all of our groups, and we'll just simply place check marks next to the groups we want to send to. You can also add an individual single number if you desire by simply typing out its 10 digits into the single number field, and then you can move on to composing your message. So I've composed my message, and I can see here that the default delivery is going to be the exact time I'm composing the message. Now if I want to schedule the delivery for a future time, I can simply click in the field, and I'll be able to use the slider bars to set the hour and the minute, and then click the calendar to choose the date. When I'm finished, I can click Done, and the delivery time for my message has been scheduled. So to move forward, I'll click the Continue button, And here I am on the preview group text message page. I can review my message, make sure it's going to the right group, at the right time, and it is going out express, and then I click send message to actually send. I'll get a confirmation that my message has been sent, and now it's going out to all my contacts almost instantaneously. So as soon as they're getting it, I'm sure they're going to be receiving it, liking it, replying, and so I can view those great incoming responses in my inbox. So it looks like I got some great responses, 30% of my 9 contacts. Sounds like it was a good blast. Now, of course, there's a lot more interactive features and advanced things that you can do with your account, so be sure to give our representatives a call and check out our other videos showing you more detailed features that we offer via the Club Texting service. Thank you for choosing Club Texting, and hope to hear from you soon.